Have you ever wondered why the splash pad at Barnett Park is off on Wednesdays? Well, I'm here to find out why. Well, hey down there, Nick.
Hey, Christina, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, just hanging out here at the pit at Barnett Splash Pad.
What would normally be in this pit?
Water. A lot of water.
A lot of water, like how much water?
3,500 gallons of water.
And Nick, tell me, why is it empty?
So every Wednesday we shut down the splash pad so we can drain it, clean it, sanitize it. That way it's safe for all of our patrons to use.
Well, that explains it. What else are you going to show me today?
I'm going to show you all the pumps, the motors, where we sanitize and disinfect everything.
Well, come on out. Let's get to looking.
Sounds good. Let's go.
It is absolutely amazing to me how much work goes into running the splash pad. From changing water filters, scrubbing the tanks, cleaning the tanks. Running a splash pad is way more work than turning on the spigot in your backyard.
Hey, PJ.
What are you doing?
I am turning the spider gasket here on our sand filter for Barnett Park.
Can you explain that a little bit more, what that means?
We are backwashing the sand to clean the sand, sanitize it, get it ready to go so we can get it back up and running for tomorrow.
Well, I'm sure those kiddos will be super excited about that.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
Well, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Nick, this one looks a little more complicated than the empty tank. What is this?
Absolutely. So this is the brains of the operation. Right here we got the brain that tells us how much chlorine and acid needs to be pumped. These two pumps right here will actually pump the acid and chlorine. And over here are our motors. That's what turns it all on and makes it run.
Thank you so much to the Parks and Rec City staff. And now you know.